Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Alienware AW610M gaming mouse, a peripheral that promises a blend of style and functionality. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk design. The AW610M immediately catches your eye with its striking aesthetics. Alienware has gone for a futuristic look here, with a blend of angular shapes and a rubberized finish that feels premium in hand. It's clearly designed to stand out on your gaming setup. However, its unique shape may not appeal to everyone's grip style. While it's comfortable for palm and hybrid grips, those who prefer a claw grip might find it less accommodating due to its protrusions. Moving on to customization, the AW610M offers plenty of options. You've got 7 programmable buttons, including dedicated DPI adjustment buttons, which are clicky and satisfying to use. The Alienware Command Center software allows you to fine-tune everything from button mappings to DPI levels and RGB lighting. One standout feature is the adjustable mouse wheel, which lets you switch between 12 and 24 notches for a more tailored scrolling experience. It's a neat addition that adds to the mouse's versatility. Now, let's talk about how it performs in games. The AW610M is a wired and wireless mouse, giving you flexibility in how you connect. In wireless mode, it boasts an impressive battery life of up to 350 hours, and I didn't experience any noticeable input lag during my testing. In wired mode, it offers up to 400 inches per second in speed detection. However, its weight of 117 grams and the larger design make it feel slightly sluggish compared to more lightweight options, especially in fast-paced competitive games. I tested it across various genres, from FPS games like Quake Champions to more relaxed titles like Mafia: Definitive Edition. It performs well overall, but hardcore competitive gamers might find it lacking in the ultra-fast responsiveness they crave. So, should you consider the Alienware AW610M? It's a fantastic choice if you value unique design, long battery life, and versatile connectivity options. It's not the lightest or fastest gaming mouse out there, but if you appreciate its aesthetic and customization features, it could be a solid addition to your gaming arsenal. That wraps up our review of the Alienware AW610M gaming mouse. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Let me know in the comments what you think of the AW610M or if there are any other products you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.